Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Linda and I prepare this research with Ms. Yudis. We are from Visual Communication Design major at Bina Nusantara University. Today we will lead the presentation. In this presentation, I would like to share about CreateShare mobile e-commerce application that possible help Indonesia to gain extra income. Now we talk about the background story, why we do this research. It was started at pandemic COVID-19 spread in Indonesia 2020 onwards. Pandemic COVID-19 gives a side effect, especially in economy sector of community of Indonesia. As you can see, there is open unemployment data in Indonesia according to Central Statistic Agency of Indonesia data. In February 2020, there was 4.94% open unemployment in whole Indonesia. On August 2020, there was 7.07%, and apparently in February 2021, open unemployment had decreased to 6.26%. Not only from open unemployment data, this problem supported by proven data, according also to Central Statistic Agency of Indonesia, that there was 1,997,819 Indonesia rupiahs range rates of work in 2016. We do this research because pandemic COVID-19 is still going through Indonesia, and we want to combine economic and art sector into one part in this research. In this research, we use several methods like 4P marketing mix and online questionnaire. But in this presentation, we focus on applied design thinking theory. We apply 5 parts of design thinking. There are emphasized to understand the core problem of our research. The result is we want to solve a problem in economy and art community sector. In define, we have found this specific chosen problem. The result is like we try to solve the minimum wage of work in Indonesia. In ideate, we choose one of various ideas we have found. The result is we want to make design prototype of CreateShare mobile e-commerce application. In prototype, we designing the CreateShare mobile application. And last, in test, we redo the ideate and prototype parts to gain some design ideas. And also, we try mobile apps to several candidate users. So, what is CreateShare mobile application actually? CreateShare is a mobile application moves in e-commerce illustration art so that we can sell or buy some art stuff, neither soft copy nor physical illustration art. CreateShare has concept design itself. Now we talk about the concept logo. The logo has 2 meanings. First meaning is a smile face when user open the mobile apps. Second meaning is 2 persons connects each other with one curved line symbolized as commissioner and illustration. And illustrator. This is CreateShare main color palette. Each main color palette has their meaning. And this is CreateShare typography. We use 3 font types, Ionic Regular and Ionic Bold applied in CreateShare mobile application content information. Value to semi-bold, applied in logo font. Now we move to create share user flow. Basically, we use Figma to prototyping the design. So create share design is still the prototype. We will explain the design by short. Okay, now we move to Figma prototype. So before we go to the main page of Create Share mobile application, we certainly have to fill the username and password. Then we log in. Now we can see the first page. First page named as homepage. Homepage is a page where user can search product randomly. The related of user search will change automatically within 24 hours, or we can refresh it through swipe up the page. When you click one of the content, you will see like the screen. There will be picture only content, video content, and pay illustration. If you want to buy some digital illustration, you can only click the shop icon or buy now button. So actually there is a difference between the shop icon and buy button. If you tap shop icon, it will only move to checkout page. But if you click buy now button, you will need to process the transaction. So now we move to the second page, named as shop page. In shop page, we can search any illustration we want. Just type at the search, and you will get example like if we search environment illustration, there will appear some illustration related to environment. And then we move to third page, name forum page. In forum page, we can search anything like tips and tricks with illustration, tutorials, how to draw, etc. related to knowledge. We also provide open chat features if you want to discuss with the content creators. Last is Me Page. In Me Page, you will find your artwork and paid digital or illustration product. For now, Me Page only provides public artwork, so any user can see your art. If you click this, you will get settings feature. Okay, now we move to the checkout feature. In checkout feature, you make sure first what art you want to buy. Check and uncheck the list. After done checking the illustration, and then we tap the checkout button. In checkout button, you have to fill several data before you place the order. You have to fill the address, choose the expedition, and choose type of payment. And then finally, you can place your order. If your order have physical form, you have the digital picture that will appear in download page and me page. But if you only buy digital illustration, which you will not get the physical form, it will also appear in download at me page And you can transfer the illustration to online storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. Okay, that's for now. The conclusion of this research is Indonesia community has big opportunity to gain extra income online business in this virtual mobile application. Not just a time when we have through pandemic COVID-19, but we also have the possibility to develop the illustration application after the pandemic so that we are really warm up really warm, open to any people who have suggestions or critics through this mobile application. Thank you.